Hey guys, how's it going? So I bought 1,000 shares of Blink charging. Some people was like, "Oh, you're an idiot! It's gonna crash! It's gonna fall! It's gonna go down to $2 again." I would love for it to go back down to $2 again. I would load the crap out of it if it went back down to $2 again. But I did my research and I made a small position, what I consider a small position. Some people might say 1,000 shares? That's so much money! Oh my god! But no, I call that a small position in my portfolio. So I did add Blink in. Why? Because I was talking to someone that was in California, and the person was like, "Oh, what do you think of Blink stock?" I was like, at first I was like, you know what? Nobody like Blink, like a charging station for a valuation of like $200 million, because back then it was 200 when that person told me about it, and then it went up and it was very volatile. So I don't know where the stock price is going to go in the future, and could it crash back down to $2? Absolutely. Or $1.65? Absolutely. But I would load the boat on it if it went back to $2 or $1.50. That's exactly what I would do. But right now I'm a bull, and I believe that, I believe that I could go up a little higher. I mean, you got at first I was like, oh, who would want to invest into the gas station of electric vehicles? Like, basically that is what Blink is. Blink is the gas station of electric vehicles, and I've done a lot of research, and I became a little bit of a bull. There's two things that I really found that's kind of cool about this company. Number one is they're going to be selling portable batteries to people. So if we do live in an electric world in 5 to 10 years from now, and the electric portable battery will be a big business for them. And not everybody is going to be a cheap ass and charge at home. Some people will go to Blink stations to charge their vehicle. And not too long ago, the CEO was talking about wireless EV charging, which I think is pretty awesome. So there's a lot of cool things they're making. They're developing technology. They're not their job is to build stations. So the amount of people they need is not as big as, let's say, a car manufacturer like Solo needs to hire at least 250 people when they open up the new facility in the United States. But Blink doesn't really need a huge amount of a big crew to go around. So the capital to grow is very minimal. And if we do live in an EV world 5 to 10 years from now, Blink is actually a deal right now at 210 million. If you think 5 to 10 years down the road, it's a deal right now. If you think short term, like a stock market crash, it could go back down to $100 million. It can go back down to $50 million. I don't know at the end of the day what it's going to do, but the lower it goes, the more attractive the price is. If Tesla crashes, Blink will probably crash with Tesla. But the one thing really cool I like about this company is the outstanding shares. It's only 28 million shares with a float of 18.23. It has a really tight float, like really tight float. So I think that, my personal opinion, it can go to $1 billion if if NIO and Tesla keeps going up. I think this stock in the short term could hit $1 billion, and then that way they can raise money and really grow their business strategy. Because charging stations are necessary for electric cars, and not everyone's going to be a cheap ass, and some people will go to the Blink charging stations. So I do see Blink being more valuable than it is right now, and that's why I put 1,000 shares in it. But I do realize that there's huge risk investing into Blink at these prices, because the stock price could crash and it could fall back down to $2, $1.50. So be aware of that if you're investing into Blink. Just be aware of that. So Electroma was just trading sideways today, not really moving too much. But I'm very, very excited about the annual general shareholder meeting. I'm probably going to, I'm going to make a video, and then I'm going to, wait till that time, and I'm going to attend it because I'm really, really excited as a shareholder. I really want to keep updated to this company. I want to follow it closely. I want to make sure that they're executing right, because if they are not executing right, I might pull out of my position. So I'm hoping they're executing right, and I'm hoping that they grow into a bigger company. That's what I hope. So NEO, like I said, if NEO keeps going up, I think Blink will go up with Blink, and Electromab will go up with NEO. Nikola, Nikola makes zero revenue, and they're worth $20 billion. I think the reason why investors are so excited about Nikola is because of Nikola Tesla. So Nikola's name alone is giving it its market cap. Just his name alone is giving its $20 billion market cap, because they have zero products on the road right now. So that's what I think is happening. They were very smart at marketing Nikola, so that's the reality of it. You hate it or like it, but that's the reality of it. Could it crash any day? It all depends on rich investors. If rich people want to dump the stock, they will dump the stock. And if Tesla crashes, Nikola will crash too. If Tesla keeps going up, Nikola will probably follow. Our ACR Marto down 52 cents today. Not too much to say that. Arrow was down 2.55% today. Plug was down 55 cents today. Taurus Acquisition was up 2.16. AMD caught it, $57. Well, it's actually $50, 57.26. Boom! Boom. And I bought in some shares and some call options, and I'm up decently on my call option position right now. So I'm very, very happy with how things are progressing. Nvidia is up $11.72. Not too much to say about that. Workhorse is down 16 cents after hours. Workhorse is probably going to trade between $15 and $16 for a while. And if NEO and Tesla keeps going up, it might go back to $20. I don't know. The reward was risk is too high for me to even consider putting $1 into this stock. And I honestly don't even understand the company too well, because I didn't do my research on it. So I probably wouldn't touch it. If it went back to $2, I'd buy some just for fun. GameStop is up 5 cents, down 5 cents. Not too much to say about that. Cineplex Odeon today was just kind of trading sideways, I think. Come on, load. 840. That's how the market wants to treat it. So it is treated at $8.40. Volume was okay, 1.4 million. Probably just bots trading back and forth. There's probably no real investors in Cineplex Odeon, but whatever. That's the reality I'm in. But if that lawsuit goes through, boom, skyrocket right to the upside in a big way. Or if the people came back and be like, okay, we'll acquire you because we have to, because we don't want to get sued. Boom, stocks go up to $23, $24 again. And you would make a lot of money. Beyond Meat was down today, up after hours. Very good butchers. I called this out at $1. It's trading at $1.50. You would have made pretty good money if you bought in when I called it out. But that's just how reality works sometimes. I bought in. I'm an investor. I'm up big time on it. Am I selling? Nope, not selling a single share. If it goes back down to $1, I'll buy more. That's just how I'm going to treat Very Good Butchers. But will it go back to $1? It could. Anything's possible. If the stock market crashed, it will go back to $1. TK Tankers down 82 cents. Not too much to say about that. Nordic American Tankers down 18 cents. DHT down 17 cents. Canopy down 2.21%. 1.9. I wouldn't touch Canopy at this point. Canopy's not fun. the electric vehicle stocks are fun. That's where all the attention is. Aurora, I wouldn't touch Aurora at this point too. If it went back down to $8, $7, definitely piqued my interest. Afria is, down 12 cents a day. Kron is down 12 cents a day. Yeah, no. Liberal Health Science is down to popped back to 44 cents. I still own this stock. Because of my long-term investment, I am now neutral on the stock. Could it drop down to 40 cents? Yes, and I would buy some more if it dropped down to 40 cents. I should have sold it at 50 cents and gambled to go to 50 cents, but I think, you know what? I think that this stock is going down lower. I could be wrong, but I think the stock is going down lower. We'll see what happens. Kira stock is trading sideways, not really doing too much. And same with True Eve, which is another leader, kind of not really moving anywhere. But anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.